Alright, so right now, as you guys can see, we spray painted first the front, and now we're gonna go by sections. I'm first gonna do here, I'm gonna do the other side, not just here, but the whole. I'm gonna do the other side, I'm gonna go to the doors, I'm gonna do the other door, but I'm just gonna be sanding. So let's get to the sanding.
So I decided to start this episode late because we're gonna work on that. Busy here like the whole day. I was taking out the sunproofing this side and that side. The seat area is all completely done. Roof, we're still gonna have to do a bit, but Gucci already sanded that side. Yeah, so now we're done with this car. Let's transfer on to this one. Today we are going to be stripping down the rest of this, and now we're gonna time lapse so that we're going to time lapse where we're going to sand. Also in the time lapse, basically the sanding, and then you'll see when we spray. Yeah.
Right now,
My boy took me out. Imagine. Project Corsa! Stop! Damn, boy. You want to kill me today? Oh shit. We're home. Bye bye. Yeah. that I love. Come on, Polo. Why does this sign have to be here?